In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Xero accounting software. This process is straightforward and will have you recording expenses in no time. First, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. This is where you'll begin organizing and recording your financial information in a streamlined way. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the page and locate the Business tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a variety of options related to your business operations. Now take a moment to scroll down until you come across the Expense Claims option. Clicking on Expense Claims will take you directly to the expense management section of Xero. For those who are dealing with expenses on Xero for the first time, you might see a prompt guiding you through setting up the expenses feature. If you're prompted, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Xero makes this easy by offering clear directions to ensure everything is properly configured. After you've set up the expenses feature, or if it's already set up, you're ready to start adding expenses. Look on the page for the option marked New Expense and click on it. This will bring up a form where you'll input the details of the expense you're recording. First, select Expense Claim from the available options. After doing this, you'll notice several fields that require you to fill in specific details about the expense. Be prepared to provide information such as the total amount spent, the date of the expense, and a brief description of what the expense was for. This detailed information is essential for maintaining accurate records. After you've completed all the necessary fields with the relevant information, take advantage of Xero's convenient feature for uploading a receipt image. This part is particularly useful for documentation and tracking purposes, ensuring you have solid evidence of the transaction if it's ever needed in the future. Simply attach an image or a scanned copy of your receipt to the expense entry. Once all details are entered and the receipt is attached, take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy and completeness. If you have the authority to approve expenses, you can click on Approve, which will finalize the entry and officially record it in your accounts. However, if you don't have approval rights, simply click Submit to forward the expense to the appropriate person for approval. And that's all there is to it. Adding expenses in Xero is an easy task once you get the hang of it. By doing this, you help ensure your financial records remain up to date and well organized, ultimately assisting in the effective management of your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide proves helpful for your accounting needs.